Nothing. What's going on, bro? What you trying to catch today, man? Snapper. What kind of rig you setting up?
Wow, would have put somebody on the spot.
I gotta put you on the spot, man. You know how I go. You know how I go.
Well, I'm gonna use a small hook that I think I left home. This is a good place for it.
That's what's up, man. That's what's up.
Something like these.
Yeah, I feel you. I feel you. Look at him. Look at this. He's always getting stuck to rocks. Oh, look, he got something. So, what are you thinking of fishing today, man?
Trash.
Catch anything?
No.
Oh, that's crazy, man. That's crazy.
Lake fisher.
Lake fishing? You don't catch nothing in no lake.
I always catch in the lake.
What you catch? What's your biggest fish?
As of this year, it's a what was the name of it? I forgot.
A bass? Snakehead?
No, I don't want to catch snakehead.
What's your biggest fish? A guppy?
Yeah.
We caught a bunch of blue runners, so that's what we got cut up. We got one on this rod right here, and on that second rod we got a bunch of these. So. Day 2, shark fishing. We got Isaac. Isaac, say what's up to the viewers.
What's up?
Yeah, guys, we got all the stuff out today. Eric's on it. Eric! All right, guys, we'll hit you back when we get everything set up. Well, guys, as you see, Eric's is no longer with us. He got sent to the hospital. Nah, but he was cutting up bait and ended up sliced his finger open, so he's going off to the hospital to get stitches. So. Take it first. I'm taking this game. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
You want to play?
Catch something?
No, we're
Where
playing tic-tac-toe. I'm X.
X.
Want to be circle?
Middle.
Middle, you think?
Yeah.
All right. Here you go.
Oh, cool. Of course. Honestly,
I think it would be like a tie.
You are younger, you know better.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Any catch?
Not yet. It's been like 20 minutes. We're just waiting around.
Okay.
Wrong move, Chris.
Oh, no.
Yeah!
No. I didn't even see it. She distracted me.
Yeah, that's what I'm happy.
The lady distracted me. Look who's here. Look who's here. He's back from the hospital. He's finally back from the hospital. He missed the whole day of fishing. What, they give you stitches?
Nah, Dermasil.
Dermasil, yeah.
Oh yeah, you got cut pretty badly.
Damn. Tell the viewers what happened.
Well, I cut myself with a fillet knife, my stupid ass. And it ended up cutting a decent amount of skin.
Damn.
So I ended up going to the hospital and they applied some Dermasil on my ass. Ooh.
I don't get how you did that, to be honest. I really don't get how you did that.
Eric's.
What do you think, Eric's going empty handed today?
Well, I didn't fish, so I'm not going.
Isaac, you know, we're empty handed today, you know? We're going home with no fish.
Right.
Once again, man. Hard day of fishing, Eric. Hard day of fishing, man. That's your fault. That honestly, that's your own fault.
Well, it's my fault that I didn't catch anything, but what about you guys?
All right, guys, catch you next episode.